Here we're looking at Elodea. I've got the stage as high as it'll go, using the coarse adjustment knob to bring it into focus initially. There we go. I'm not going to worry about getting it into any better focus. That was the 4x objective. This is the 10x objective. Now I'm using the fine adjustment knob, focus adjustment. There we go. Now we're going to bring it into 400x, which is the 40x objective. You can see the chloroplasts in there, very pretty. And now I'm going to get it under oil, and I apparently don't know where my oil is. So if you'll bear with me as I find it. There's my oil. So we're going to switch aside the 40x objective. I'm going to take a drop of oil, pop it on there, and then slide into place the 100x objective. And now use the fine focus to get this thing, whoops. We're clearly having issues. We're too close to it, I think. Let's see if we can improve upon that a little bit. There we go. So that's with the 100x. I'm changing the iris diaphragm a little bit to make the lighting a little bit prettier. Ooh, we can see some dead cells. Oh, that's pretty cool. Here are a few dead Elodea cells for some reason. But around them you can see a bunch of cells. You can see their box shape, especially towards the top of the field of view. And you can see lots and lots of chloroplasts in there. Okay, Elodea, wet mount.